What's up, friends? This is your old pal Kyle Kelly taking you through a brand new it's actually a brand new Bennington model for us, the team at Kelly Sport. This is the 26 M Series SL for customization on the aft. It's a really slick setup. The M Series guys have been, I'm gonna call it stupid popular for us. We've sold a flat ton of these boats, tough to keep in stock. This particular one is with the metallic main accent panel, so it's got a little metal flake in there with the matte black accent. Obviously the Lake of the Ozarks rough water edition on below, black exoskeleton, black rub rail insert. This does have the 32-inch elliptical in the center there. That is nice and big and comfy. Rides great on the open water. Upgraded lily pad Revo ladder, super nice, works phenomenally. Yamaha 300 XCB. These things just don't break, guys. Beautiful look, beautiful setup. Hopping into the ladder, this is the SL series, so we've got the external gate in the back here. This is nice because it is safe and legal to ride while underway. Gives you a dual access point here on the side over. But what's nice about this boat, guys, and I'll try to highlight it without jimmying it up, all of the seating in the aft back here is all convertible. So all the seat backs obviously lift up and fold down. I've got this door open, but well, here, let's do it. Fold down completely flat here, sit back up. But what's cool about this boat too is kind of like you see some additional jump seats on other boats, is that I'm gonna do the best I can with one hand, guys, so give me a little bit of love. You can jump seat it like so. This little fella flips up for additional seat there as well. All of this, guys, is, oops, this is how you're supposed to do it. You're getting what you pay for with a free video. There you go. You've got a nice lounge in the aft. It does it on the starboard, does it on the port. Basically, guys, long story short, it gives you the versatility. I think these flip up too. They do. Watch someone that actually knows what the heck they're doing on these videos. But guys, long story short, all of these are all customizable for how you're using the boat for the day. Facing forward while you're underway, or facing aft as you're coving out. Ski tow bar, upgraded fuel tank here as well. We have the carbon fiber arch up on top here as well for some nice shade cover and good looks. Elevated helm seat with the comfy chair. It is all hydraulic, digitally power assisted, super fancy steering and shifting, so it feels just like a brand new car. Speaking of brand new car, you've got touchscreen inside here with the Garmin as well. And I like this little toggle switch that's over here in the corner for controlling all your stuff. Side panel over here is for your trash can, and a little area spot there for a little dog dish, which is nice. Stowage underneath the helm series, underneath the helm station as well. In-floor ski stowage here. It's huge, it's monstrous. Bow table up in the top. And then these big monster port couches up in the side where we have the lumbar cutout, where you've got tons of cup holders, cell phone chargers on either side. Very nice setup. This is with the tan interior and the dark gray accents with the light beige flooring as well, which is amazing. So guys, long story short, these boats sell very quickly. Put your name on them quick and fast because they move quickly. In this M series, think about it like a Yukon Denali. It hits a phenomenal price point, and boats just absolutely elegant. So Kyle Kelly, Kelly Sport, I think it's $49.75 here at Kelly Sport. Take a look through. We'd love the opportunity in your business.